This how to 1 minute will show you how to create a collapsible sidebar menu in WordPress website. Follow this easy and step-by-step guide to create a collapsible sidebar menu like this. First of all, log into your WordPress dashboard and we will install a plugin. So hover over on plugins and click on add new plugin. In this search plugins box, type here below Accordion. So here search for below's Accordion menu, and this is the plugin we are going to use. So install and activate this plugin. Once done, now we need to create a new menu for our collapsible sidebar menu. To do that, hover over on appearance and click on menus and click on create a new menu, and I'm giving the menu name collapsible sidebar menu and click on create menu. Once the menu created, it's time to add menu items. So here I'm first of all selecting home, about, blog, clothing, contact us, and selecting pants, shirts, shoes, pages, and clicking on add to menu. And now I will add some post. So selecting here post and selecting these 3 posts and clicking on add to menu. Once added, now I will customize my menu items. So I want to put these clothing at the top of about. So drag and drop like this. And now I will create sub items. So I will drag and drop these pants and making it sub items for clothing. And the same way I'm dragging and dropping shirt to make it sub item, shoes, sub items. And now I will make these 3 post sub items. So I'm dragging and putting it inside of blog section. And here we can see the final look. Home, clothing, pants, shirts, shoes are sub items. Then about, blog, and these 3 posts are sub items. And then contact us. And then clicking on save menu. Once the menu saved successfully, now hover over on appearance and click on below's menu. And here make sure to select main configuration tab. And now integrate specific menu. Here click on this drop down and select the menu that you want to add to your sidebar. So I'm selecting collapsible sidebar menu that I just created. And now here you will get a shortcode. So click on this shortcode and press Ctrl C to copy this shortcode and click on save menu configuration. Once it's saved, now we will add the menu in our sidebar widget. So I'm going to my appearance and clicking on widgets. And now I'm going to create a new widget here. So I'm clicking on add block and here search for shortcode and add shortcode. And here paste the shortcode you just copied and click on update. Once it's saved, I'm going to opening my website. And I'm scrolling down. And here we can see a collapsible sidebar menu has been successfully created. And to edit this menu, click on customize. And here select below's main. Click on general. And to change the menu background color, click on this drop down. And here you can select this vanilla color. Or you can select gray material. And here you can change the menu alignment. So this is how we can create collapsible sidebar menu in WordPress. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe how to 1 minute. See you in the next video.